Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane Williams and Paul Mason.
I'm here with Alex from Black Suit. Alex, welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia.
Nice to be here. Thanks for having me.
Now, obviously, we were caught by this piece of kit you got behind us here, but maybe before we talk about that, just tell us a little bit about who's Black Six and what do you do?
Yeah, so Black Six, my name's Alex. We've got Ricardo here flying our simulator. What we do is we build integrated learning environments that integrate with simulation technology. We pull data, analyze it, run AI models through it, and hopefully what that does in the end outcome is raise the level of competence with trainees.
Amazing. And I mean, we've seen over the course of the last couple of years different types of technologies applied to training. This is particularly interesting. Maybe tell us a little bit more about some of the technology behind it and how it gets used.
Yeah, so we've got quite a few AI engineers working with us at Black Six, and we are a very data-centric training company. What we actually specialise in is we're not just engineers. We have multiple people with training backgrounds that allow us to identify the holes in training systems and allow us to adapt and overcome those defects within, and we use the technology to support it.
So you see Ricardo over here is having a crack on the flight sim. I imagine that's not just any flight sim. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about what's going on there.
Yeah, so we're using Lockheed Martin software, Prepared 3D, but really the magic sits behind it where we're pulling the data out. So on the screen here, you can see the green boxes. That's an AI model looking at the instrumentation and what he's looking at the same time.
Obviously, you're not just curious what he's looking at. It's got to be a reason why you...
Yeah, exactly. So we're able to analyze their scan flows and see if they're using the correct techniques whilst they're flying the aircraft. And what we can do is benchmark that against a set unit of competency and go, hey, for this phase of flight, they're meant to be looking at A, B, C. And if they're missing that, well, then we can identify those areas where they might be lacking.
Yeah, right. So I imagine this doesn't just load flight sims. What are some of the other uses?
No, we've actually, funny enough, built crane simulators for construction operators. So we modelled a crane yard with a crane sim joysticks and all of that, and they're able to pick up the weights and move it around to different areas. We've also built augmented reality trainers, which will be sent out to the field, and all the data gets streamed back to, say, home base, and we can analyse them and see how they're going within their training units.
It's amazing. So what's next for Black Six?
What's next? We're going to just keep on growing, building new technology, and just ensuring that we're staying in front of, the technology curve that we're always chasing.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah. Thanks very much for being on the show.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul, recorded on the traditional lands of the Bunurong and Wurundjeri people. For more information, jump on the manufacturingtech.au website. Remember to hit the follow button to join us again next time as we continue to explore the intersection of manufacturing and technology.